The common story is that you need a macro calculator to find your maintenance calories. The reality is that a $100 DEXA scan makes every calculator on the internet irrelevant. Every calculator I tried gave me a different number: 1900, 2200, 2500, a 600 calorie range, which is the difference between losing a pound a week and losing nothing. So I stopped guessing and got a DEXA scan. It measures your actual resting metabolic rate, not a formula, not an estimate, your body just measured. Here is why calculators cannot do what a DEXA scan does. They estimate your muscle mass from your height and weight. A DEXA scan literally measures it: bone, fat, lean tissue, region by region. My resting metabolic rate came around 1800. I multiplied my activity level and landed at 2400. I ate at 2400 for a couple of weeks. Weight did not move. That's maintenance confirmed, not estimated. The lowest calculator had me at 1900 total. That's not a deficit. That's barely moving my resting metabolic rate. If I had trusted that number, I would have been under eating by 500 calories a day and would wonder why I felt like garbage. A DEXA scan isn't magic. It gives you your starting point, your real one. You still need to track for a couple of weeks to confirm, but you're confirming a measurement, not a guess. That's completely different starting position. Stop estimating what your body burns. Measure it once, confirm it with data, and cut from there.